ultra-high voltage power lines, known as energy superhighways, allows the electricity to be transmitted over long distances without much power losses. China has already built over 30 ultra-high voltage lines, and many more are under construction, in an effort to pursue sustainable and greener future. Hello everyone, I am Lisa, and today we're at the Guchuan Convert Station. This station is the part of Changji Guchuan ultra-high voltage direct current transmission line. This power line stretches over 3,000 kilometers from the wind and solar farms of northwest China's Xinjiang all the way across to East China's Anhui province. That's just like Seattle to Chicago. This station is converting the direct current transmitted through this line back to alternative current, meeting the need of Chinese people. Since its operation in 2019, this converter station has transmitted over 100 billion kilowatt-hour of electricity to East China. Covering an area of 270,000 square meters, this converter station is as large as 40 football fields and has 146 world-class equipment, such as the converter transformer. To ensure the smooth operation of the station, a number of high-tech means have been used. That includes 5G-powered monitoring, Beidou navigation satellite system positioning, and intelligent robot patrolling. I have never expected that our daily electricity consumption is supported by such a mega project. In this era when every country is endeavored to decrease carbon dioxide emission, this project offers an efficient solution to ensure green electricity. These days, I have found out that China has invested a lot in infrastructure and it's undergoing fast development amid the epidemic. I believe it could provide a shot in the arm to the world development.